So you see on a lot of folks' overlanding rigs, they'll have like the 5-pound propane tanks, mounted on the side of their vehicle, and those are great. I'm looking to go that direction too. But a lot of people, especially when they're starting out, they have the 1-pound, little propane tanks, and some people kind of like to hate on them because they feel like it's, you have to use it once, they're kind of expensive, and then you just throw them out. Well, I'm here to tell you can actually refill these, and I'm going to show you how to do it, and it only costs $10. So all you need to do, guys, is get one of these, and all it is an adapter to go from a 20-pound tank down to the 1-pound, and that's really it. The other thing that I would really suggest you get are these caps. I think you get 6 of them for 10 bucks, and the benefit of those is that they basically just seal these, because I do notice that over time you can kind of smell propane. They leak a little bit, but again, these are really, really easy to refill. I'll show you how to do it. First things first, safety first. Do this in, a well-ventilated area. Ideally do it outside. I'm doing it in my garage, but the door's open, so we're good to go there. But, just be smart about it. Do it in an open area. Obviously don't do it around, open flame or anything like that. So all you need to do is take your adapter. You're gonna screw it onto your propane tank there. Make sure it's off, right? Screw that on. Then you screw your propane tank on. Like so, and then you're just going to turn the tank on, and you'll hear it go. Okay, you'll hear it. You'll basically start hearing it fill up. It'll slow down. Wait about 10 or 15 minutes, and that's really it, guys. So what I'll do is we'll wait a little bit here, and then we'll come back. Okay, it's been about 10 or 15 minutes now. So then all you need to do is go in, shut off the 20-pound tank. Okay. And unscrew it. Get a little bit of that. That's okay. Now, what some people say to do is you've got this little thing here, you can try and push on that. That doesn't always work for me, but basically inside there's basically just a bleed off valve. So what you're gonna do is basically just and all you're trying to do is get the air out, okay? So you'll do that 5 or 6 times. Then all you do is just screw it back on and do it again. There it goes. All right. And let her go. If you've got some like rubber gloves, maybe put them on, because when you bleed that off, you get a little of the propane on you, and it's got that, they've got a smell to it. So that kind of gets on your hands. It's a little hard to wash off sometimes, but so that's something else to maybe think about. But again, you just let it sit, and then we'll do it again. All right, guys, it's been about another 10 or 15 minutes. Same deal. We're just gonna turn this guy off. All right, unscrew it. And you can definitely feel that it's a lot heavier. And again, you can kind of purge it. And you're good to go. And then what I'll do is I'll just screw these caps on, and I'm all set. So guys, that's really all there is to it to refill one of these 1-pound propane tanks. It's super easy and convenient. Now, I've had some people kind of ask, why not just upgrade, go with the 5-pounder? And again, what I like, even though I have the 20-pounder, if I'm running like a propane like fire pit, I still carry the 1-pounders because I like to have the backup. Sometimes it's nice for my stove, if I want to set up my stove a little bit further away from my truck and I don't have, the line to run. It's just easier to grab one of these guys and go. I also carry, really, really basic, cheap, single burner. Why? Again, redundancy. It's nice to have. It doesn't take up much space. And I've had instances where my 2-burner propane stove went down, or there was just a problem with it, or I just wanted to heat up some water really fast. So again, I like to have, those kind of backups in place. So guys, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. We're gonna have these tips and a lot more other information to come. There's gonna be some trip videos coming up, as well as just some other pack out and just some other gear reviews. So I really appreciate it. Do me a favor, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.